check. Yes, this is our flat. Okay, pagpasok, this is our dining area. And then, our kitchen. Ayan. Ayan po kayo mga appliances. Yung rice cooker po provided namin. Ginihagit. And then, dalawang ref. Since we have like, we are 10 staffs in the accommodation. Ayan. Rooms. Mag-vlog up ang plancha. And then, this is our toilets and bathing area, shower room. Ayan, tatlong shower room and tatlong toilets. Ayan, toiletries. And then this is where my room is. And sa window side. And this is my room. Other side. Then, punta tayo sa laundry.